In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make image reflection effect using HTML and CSS. So here you can see we have an image here. First of all, we're going to mention a class. The class name will be my_img. Then we'll go inside the head section, and in the head section, we're going to mention the style. And in the style, we're going to mention this class my_img. So here, let me just copy this. And for this class, we need to give a dot. Then we need to mention the class name, 2 bracket. And in order to make a mirror of this image, we need to say here dash or minus web key minus box minus reflect. Then we need to give a clone. And we need to say where we are to see the reflection. Is it in the bottom side or in the right side? So we're going to say, let's say it will be below. And we're going to mention a padding here or any gap here. Let's say the gap will be on PX. And if we now just set this, there you can see there is a on PX gap and there is this image. And if you want this image to be a little bit of transparent, for it, what you need to do is that you need to say here linear gradient, then we need to give to first bracket, and we're going to mention the color here. Let me say here RGBA, then to first bracket, and we're going to make this a little bit of transparent. So let me say here 0, 3, 0, 0. Then we're going to mention one more color. Let's say it will be RGBA, then to first bracket, and this will be 0, 0, 0, it will be on. If we now just save this, okay, 1.4, let's say, save it. Okay, I think I made a spelling mistake over here. It will be LI. Let me save it again, and there you can see it become transparent. And if you want to see this more, you can say here on, then save it. There you can see you're able to see it open. Let's say you want to see this on the right side. For it here, instead of below, you need to say here right. Save it, and there you can see it is showing us on the right side. Let me say here 0. Then save it, and it will look like this. So you can give different value over here and see the output over here by yourself. So this is how you can make an image reflection effect in HTML. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.